In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Canva design directly to TikTok. By the end, you'll be able to send your finished Canva video straight to your TikTok account without downloading files or juggling apps. Before we start, make sure your design is ready to share. Check that your canvas is vertical for TikTok, ideally 1080 by 1920 pixels, and give your video a quick preview to confirm the timing, audio, and captions look the way you want. Begin in your Canva editor and look toward the upper right corner. Click the Share button. This is your hub for exporting, downloading, and publishing. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or finishing any unsaved edits first. When the Share menu opens, you'll see several ways to publish. Next, locate the Share on Social section and select TikTok. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar in the Share panel and type TikTok. Choosing this option tells Canva you want to publish directly to your TikTok channel, saving you the extra step of exporting and re-uploading. Now it's time to connect your TikTok account. Canva will prompt you to authorize access so it can upload on your behalf. Click to authorize, and if you're not already signed into TikTok, you'll be asked to log in there. Review the permissions, confirm you're using the correct TikTok account, and approve. You can disconnect this integration later in your account settings if you change your mind, but for now, granting access is what enables one-click posting from Canva. Once connected, you'll see a field to add your TikTok caption. This is optional, but it's worth taking a moment to write a clear, concise description. Lead with a hook that tells viewers what they'll see, and consider adding a few relevant hashtags to help discoverability. Keep it readable. Short lines and simple language tend to perform well on mobile. If your video includes sound, make sure you have the rights to use it or choose audio from within Canva's licensed library. When everything looks good, click Post to TikTok. Canva will process the video and begin the upload. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection and the file size. You'll get a confirmation when it's done. Open the TikTok app to verify the post appears on your profile, watch the first few seconds to confirm quality, and double-check the caption formatting. That's it. You've published your Canva design straight to TikTok in a streamlined, reliable way. If you plan to post regularly, keep this connection active, and your future uploads will be even faster.